Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Bharat. Which gas is used as fire extinguisher? Answer is carbon dioxide. Students, carbon dioxide stops the influence of oxygen because it decreases the oxygen present in that fire. Brass is an alloy of which two metal? Answer is copper and zinc. Students, brass is a non-ferrous red metal and an alloy that is composed of copper and zinc. In vulcanization process, rubber can be hardened by adding sulfur. Students, vulcanization of rubber is a process of improvement of the rubber elasticity and strength by heating it in the presence of sulfur. Sour milk and curd contains which acid? Answer is lactic acid. Name the most abundant inert gas present in the atmosphere. Answer is argon. Students, argon is colorless and odorless in both its liquid and gaseous forms. The atomic number of argon is 18. What is the number of chromosomes in a normal human body cell? Answer is 46. Students, in human, each cell normally contains 23 pair of chromosomes for a total of 46. Name the largest gland in human body. Answer is liver. Students, the main function of liver is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract. What is the common name of sodium bicarbonate? Answer is baking soda. Depletion of ozone layer is due to CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Students, chlorofluorocarbon or CFC are the main cause of ozone depletion. These are released by solvents, spray aerosols, refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Answer is acetic acid. Pedology is the study of soil. Who discovered the first antibiotic? Answer is Alexander Fleming. Red blood corpuscles is produced into bone marrow. red color of blood is due to presence of hemoglobin. Students, human blood is red because of the protein hemoglobin, which contains a red colored compound called heme. That's crucial for carrying oxygen through your bloodstream. Which of the following is necessary for digestion of food? Answer is enzyme. An enzyme is a type of protein found within a cell. What is the lifespan of RBC? Answer is 120 days. Students, lifespan of RBC is very short because they are subject to mechanical stress as they flow through the various blood vessels in the body, creating tremendous wear and tear. After about 120 days, the cell membrane ruptures and red blood cell dies. What is the lifespan of WBC? Answer is 2 to 15 days. The number of ribs in a human body is 24. Hormones are produced by endocrine glands. What is the normal value of blood sugar in the body? Answer is 80 to 120 milligram by 100 ml of blood. Which is the largest blood vessel in the body? Answer is aorta. Students, the aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from your heart to the rest of your body. Also, it is the largest artery in the body. Which of the following carries impure blood? Answer is pulmonary artery. Students, the pulmonary artery carries blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs. It carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Who had performed the world's first heart transplant? Answer is Christian Bernard. Which acid is used in the body to help digestion? Answer is hydrochloric acid. Students, the hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice breaks down the food and the digestive enzymes split up the proteins. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the highest wavelength? Answer is infrared rays. When sunlight passes through a prism, which of the following colors has the highest refraction? Answer is blue. Which metal has the highest melting point? Answer is tungsten. Speed of sound is maximum in water. What is the scientific name for common salt? Answer is ammonium chloride. How many taste buds are on your tongue? Answer is 10,000. Students, the average person has about 10,000 taste buds and they are replaced every 2 weeks or so.